What's up, tubers? We're back. Got something cool here. Picked up one of the Mobius kits. I've never experienced one of these myself, but I've heard good things, and I'm really looking forward to getting inside of this one and looking at what's in the box, which you can feel right away. It's hefty. It's got some weight to it. Like, it is packed full. I've already cut it open and gone inside and peeked, but I knew that there was no way I was going to get it all back in there, so I just peeled the manual out and squished it back down, and kind of wanted to start with that because the manual itself is pretty incredible, comparatively speaking, to other, AMTs and MPCs and the standard, Hobby Lobby kind of stuff. Wow, look at these pictures, look at these images. They're just so crisp and precise of what part. I mean, there's no mistaking what goes where. And in fact, there's also a list of, let's see what's that say? As noted on the front cover, this kit includes parts that are not required to complete this kit. For the builder's convenience, the parts not needed are listed here. Wow, that's kind of cool, in the interest of saving time, paint, material, whatever, that far out. As well as a really cool paint color guide, which, I'm going with that, I think I'm gonna go with the box. Black and white. But black and white, let's just jump right to that. Another really neat part of this manual is, whoa, it's got full color details of, where the decals go, which in itself look pretty sweet. Look at these little air cleaner decal and, the washer bag. So without much more ado, I'm going to get into this thing, and I just wanted to share that if this manual is any indicator of how this kit's going to go, I'm looking forward to it. So throw this up here with the Toronto. It's another upcoming project. I kind of splurged on some nice paint with that one, and hopefully it comes out cool. So let's get into this thing. Again, I've already cut it open just to get the stuff out and take a peek, and saw that. I was like, oh gosh, I'm never gonna get that back in there and closed. And so we're gonna take it all out. We're gonna rip the Band-Aid off, as it were, and look at the parts, and I'll probably never get them to go back in that box correctly, forcing me to assemble the model at some point. Ooh, oh, good Lord. Wow, that's a lot of plastic. But initial reaction, I just don't know if I'm gonna actually take all this stuff out of the plastic or not. I guess that's what I'm trying to do here. So, but yeah, initial reaction, it feels like different plastic. It feels more solid, rigid, cleaner. It's definitely a different shade, but all the body lines and everything are nice and crisp. Looks really good. Tiny little decal sheet. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Okay. Gauges and side logos, license plates. Cool. Okay, so let's do the tires. Everybody wants to see the tires. Some of them tires. Oh, got five good looking rubber. Not gonna lie, I'm considering doing that. We'll see. No promises. Got looks like it's the same wheel option, just confusing. Let's just take it out, see what it is. Ooh, nice. Molded open grill. That'll look good. Okay, so there's just 5 wheels, or 5 tires and 6 wheels. Yeah, excuse the rambling, back noises, you know, fumbling with plastic bits, chrome bits. Oh, nice. Logos, little side mirrors. And I did read while I was skimming through the manual, there's a couple mirror options, and there's, yep, there it is. There's back holes to drill out of, you know, you can drill that one or that one, depending on which one you want to choose. I don't know if you can see how it picks it up. Yep. So, that's always nice. People are probably cringing the way I'm taking that off the chrome. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to be nice. And you can just kind of tell how the initial reaction when I did kind of look at it the day when I first got it and peeled it out of the box. Everything feels crisper, just like just the cab alone when I was looking at it. So there's the glass bits. Single piece headlights, windshield, back window, quarter glass, headlights, tail lights. No, there's probably tail lights, yeah, and that's, I'm not sure, but you could, you know, clear orange, clear red, either of them. Looks to be in decent shape. Well, let's complete the shiny bits first. Just, again, I'm a little nervous because I know I'm never going to get this stuff back in the package, but they're not supposed to stay in the package. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here's even more mirror options. Jeez. Cool. I'm not saying anything in identifying the parts because, you know, if you're in the models, you probably already know what a chrome valve cover looks like. And I can see already that there's a couple nice different options. Definitely appreciate the multiple mirror options. That's that can help out in other forward kits too, changing things up. Very nice detail on the hubcaps. That's pretty nice. Still not, you know, again, decided which direction this build will take, but we'll find out. A couple just different transmission options, it looks like. Probably, you know, obviously automatic and four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive, or, you know, who knows, probably not. I don't know. The manual should tell me. It sure tells me where the extra parts are. Nice. Everything feels really solid. Looks really good too. In and out of the tailgate. That's always kind of cool. I'm most likely going to do this thing in two-tone, so there'll be masking and prep for days. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Assembly, the creation of it, taking this pile of plastic bits and turning it into, you know, that. Hey. Whoa. Nice. Look at this nice, clear indentation marks. And the floorboard has carpeted look, feel. Long, straight box sides. Looks like that's going to be an assembled bed, which this can be fun sometimes. We'll see how it goes together. It looks like, again, I kind of skimmed the manual, and it is notched together fairly well, but we'll definitely be getting some pre-assembly on this kit. Wow, look at that. Hope the camera can pick that up. Nice little thick detail, bow tie on the seat. Or, no, wait. What? That wouldn't be a bow tie. What am I saying? What the heck is that? Switch optics here. Yeah, a Ford logo with the lightning bolt through it. I'm an idiot. Go ahead and roast me in the comments. Hey, we'll fart in your glasses. Wow. Also, speaking of detail, and look at there's individual decals for those gauges as well as the radio. Look how prominent that is, as well as the firewall. That's nice. All of it, just very. It's all thick and clear, prominent. It's gonna look good. Oh no! Let's see a loose fan in there. Loose engine parts. I want to be free. It's a Ford fan. Are you a Ford fan? Yeah. Well, I just got all dad joke on you, didn't I? Wow, look at this crisp details. This is really nice. This is probably going to build up. You know, I don't want to call anybody out. I guess I already did, didn't I? Suspension. Like, let's talk about that AMT Duster's suspension. Oh my gosh. Or the Volkswagen, the Beetle, even being Revell. Really nice. Oh, and there's still one left. There's still left. Hey! So, you know, like when you find one under the tree, there's still a present, look. There's no way I'm getting this all back in the box. I'm just making a whole nother video of that. Reboxing. Wheel backs and more external components. Yeah, there's lots of details in this thing. And more steering column, sway bar. Wow. So I can lay it all out and put a still frame at the end, but I usually don't. So there's just some more. There's some. But I'm thinking that does look pretty nice stock, but so does that. Just all depends on how much fabrication I would have to do to make it work, and I, to be honest with you, don't really want to on this one. I kind of want to put it together the way it comes, because it looks like such a nice kit that it's going to go together well. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see more. This is going to be built up pretty soon, and I'll have a slideshow of that. I usually do a picture of the slideshow of the build process itself and the kit. I don't really do the videos of the buildings because we all know how models go together. I do this mostly so that people can see the bits and the pieces. See if you want one.